once you get to know quads,
Winter flying in California.
1, 2, 3,
Well, everybody's in the snow.
If you look at them,
We're having a rough day because it's all the way down to 40. But now it's up to 50, so we're going to be able to fly some more. There's guys out there on the other side. A couple guys in the field. Airplanes in the air. California is the only place to be in the wintertime. What a great place to fly. This is the AMOS flying field. Some guys getting a tow line glider all ready to go. Okay guys, look this way. Here we are again in the middle of the winter in California.
Just another bad winter day.
Another bad winter day.
Zero wind and sunshiny day.
All this
Terrible.
wind, sunshine, no snow, no rain.
Struggle through it somehow.
All these airplanes. Yes, terrible. California in the wintertime. What a place to be.
We're going to have t-shirts on in a minute.
I think I saw some guy they were taking pictures over in the mall and some guy in shorts.
There's the end of the flight. All of a sudden, no control. It sounded like a snap, and that was it.
The one with the airplane's body.
yeah,
She's making a humming sound
that's the
now.
pilot, right? That's his air.
Here's coming home.